Hello, hi everyone. Rick Kirkham here. I just left a great networking meeting with the Chamber of Commerce, and I realized that they, along with you folks out there, could use this little Android tip here. And that is how to scan your business cards right into your contacts. Now, to do that, it's going to tell you when you first go to do that you have to download a particular app, and that is called Snap Biz Card. So you're going to have to download and install that particular app. Okay. Now, once that happens, you can go ahead and on my Android phone, there's a little check box there. You'll see that right there. And when I tap that, I have the option. Now, what some of the people at the meeting uh, didn't notice was if you scroll more, all of a sudden you see scan business card. Okay. So I'm going to do this with my own business card. Now, my own business card is one of the more wordy business cards there is. So it's not going to scan real well, but this program has real good OCR software, optical character recognition software built into it. So it does a pretty good job actually. So I'm gonna pick up my phone here and I'm going to tap on scan business card and you'll see what's happening now. So we're going to scan my card. There it goes. Heard that little noise there. Reading the business card. And it actually did a pretty good job here. Here's my name. It also has this extra information right here. Uh, and I think some of this stuff is a company. This actually comes out better when I've scanned other business cards, but there's my phone number, email address, came out okay. It's it thinks that's my address. And I think tap on more. Okay. So not too bad really for such a wordy business card. I can edit this, and the cool part about this too is when you go to save it, I'm just going to save it like this without editing, but you guys know how to edit. You just tap inside there, and then you've got your keyboard. So every time you tap, your fingers like a mouse. So you just tap, and then all of a sudden your virtual keyboard will show up. But if I just click on save, so I can show this to you, then what's going to happen? You see how my business card shows up on top like that? That makes it very recognizable, especially when someone hands you your business card for a second time. It's really helpful. And then, of course, you can still go ahead and edit the business card. Now, you notice what I had to do there. I had to scroll. Actually, I had to scroll my finger down a little bit, and then up on top here. And that's actually scrolling up as you realize. And then up on top here, we had edit and the share and all that other stuff. So once again, when I click on edit, I can go ahead and change all this information. And that's all there is to it. This is a huge time saver for any business person that ends up collecting a whole bunch of business cards. And like I said before, the fact that the business card itself shows up on top like that makes it whoop, makes it an even better feature. So that's my tip. Feel free to visit my website, and there's my website. And I happen to remember my yeah. There we go. And now my face is going to pop up with my wild and crazy hairstyle that I got right now. Don't worry, like I said before in another post, I actually comb my hair before an appointment, so I won't scare your children. All right, so I hope you found this helpful. God bless everyone. And Have a good day.